Hey everyone, I'm Jonathan Sabayan and I am unboxing the iPhone 12 Pro, 256 gigs, and it's gold, so you don't have to yet. If you're looking to get this, go ahead and look in the link of my description and you might be able to get it that way as well. This is just an unboxing, maybe some initial thoughts and looking at it, and then after we have some time, I have some time looking at it, then we'll go ahead and make a full review for it. If you like what you see here, go ahead and hit the like button. Also, if you want to see more content when it comes to photography and video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And I try to post at least every week. All right, let's do this. So the funny thing about this is that it was supposed to come Friday, but my wife and I were out on a date and we weren't able to get it. So here it is today. All right. All right, so some things from Verizon, that's who I'm with. I'll go ahead and put these to the side. So if you're wondering about price, this comes out at $1,099. Of course, it's covered in plastic and it has this gold look to it on the cover. I guess it should be this way because it looks like the bars are on that side. All right. So opening it up. Plastics aside. Wow, now that looks really good. Thumbnail? I'm just kidding. All right, let's go ahead and open this. Much easier than before. Okay. All right, so it's upside down. We've got our 3 different cameras on here, the flash, and then I'm pretty sure that's the LiDAR right over there. Okay. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, so it comes with a covering here on the front and also on the back. Oh no, this is just glass. I can already see my fingers fogging it up. Alright, so they have the gloss, the shine, the metallic look on the side, and then they have a matte look on the back. You know, people were saying when it comes to Apple, they're trying to save space on boxes. That's what they say. But so then they want you... They want to save space on boxes, so they end up taking away the box, the wall charger, and then also the headphones. So they want you to buy AirPods. All right, what else is in here? So we've got in this spot, what's going on? Oh, this little fork or button press. Something to read. Oh, there it is. And a single, look at that. Not 2 stickers, only 1 sticker now. Okay, we also have the cord. It's a lightning to USB-C. No dongle needed this time. Well, let's go ahead. We'll take this off the phone and then we will go ahead and charge it and see how it's like. Okay, let's go ahead and peel this off. Satisfying. Ooh, looks good. Let me go ahead and cover this. Put this to the side. Get this going. Swipe to open. It says bring your current phone nearby. This is my wife's phone, so there we go. It's asking if I could set up our new phone. There we go. Boom. Now it's finishing on the new iPhone. And with the beauty of editing, all we have to do is go like this and boom, we're good to go. Transferring data. It says between 25 and 35 minutes. So we're gonna go boom. We're back. I want to go ahead and share a bit about the look and feel of these 2 phones. I mean, My wife has done a pretty good job taking care of this. It looks still brand new. It's just that the battery is at, what is it, 80% capacity. So she was really ready for the new phone. And I'm waiting for the Pro Max because I want the bigger screen because I use my camera, well, I use my phone to connect to my camera to see the display remotely and to take pictures remotely. So that's why I'm waiting for that one. Even though I've heard basically the cameras are the same, but there are a couple of minor differences, I think, with stabilization between each one of them. But as you can see, she has an iPhone 10 in white, and then on the sides of it, they look almost the same, even though this is white and then this is gold. All right, they're basically the same. I turn off the displays, but you can tell even from the bezel that the iPhone 12 Pro does look nicer. Let me go ahead and turn them both on. Yeah, you can even see from the apples. Either they decided to make the apple bigger or it's really a bigger screen. I'm going to go ahead and take pictures with this, but I will save that for another video. If you'd like to see that again, go ahead and subscribe. And wow, this one already turned on way faster than the 10 did. Just want to say. If you want to see more when it comes to the iPhone, go ahead and drop a comment below. Go ahead and subscribe and let me know if you have any questions, and then I can address them in another video. This is an unboxing and an initial impressions when it comes to the iPhone 12 Pro Gold 256 gigs. Again, if you want to know the price, it retails at $10.99, and I got with Verizon, I think I have to turn this phone in and I get $400 off. So that's just how my carrier is and how the plan is. You can share your thoughts as well down below. Okay, so for reals, I'm gonna sign off this time and see you after I take some videos and pictures. All right, bye.